GT500 has smashed records for speed and power in the muscle car world. With over 760 horsepower in its last iteration, it's a beast that's ready to dominate again. Buckle up because the GT500 is back and making waves. Welcome to the ultimate muscle car showdown. In this video, we're diving into the thrilling return of the 2026 Ford Mustang Shelby GT500. From its jaw-dropping power to cutting-edge tech, you'll see why this icon is ready to steal the spotlight. Muscle cars are at a crossroads. With electric vehicles stealing headlines and tightening emissions regulations, the raw V8-powered beasts we love face an uncertain future. Competitors like the Dodge Challenger SRT Demon 170 have pushed the limits with over 1,000 horsepower, while hybrids and EVs dominate performance conversations. So how does a legend like the Shelby GT500 stay relevant? Ford's answer is bold: a new GT500 that blends old-school muscle with modern innovation. Rumors suggest it's packing a high-performance V8, codenamed Legend, possibly with hybrid elements to boost efficiency without sacrificing power. The challenge? Deliver heart-pounding performance that rivals supercars while meeting today's demands for sustainability and tech. The GT500 is stepping up to prove muscle cars aren't just surviving, they're thriving. Let's dive into what makes the 2026 Shelby GT500 a game-changer. The last GT500, based on the S550 platform, delivered 760 horsepower and 625 pound-feet of torque from a 5.2-liter supercharged V8 hitting 60 miles per hour in just 3 seconds. The new model is rumored to push the envelope further, with a Legend engine that could exceed 800 horsepower, potentially rivaling the 815 horsepower Mustang GTD. Expect a dual-clutch transmission for lightning-fast shifts and advanced aerodynamics for track-ready handling. Spy shots reveal a gaping front fascia for better cooling and a possible roll cage for extreme performance testing. Inside, a digital dashboard and performance-oriented infotainment keep it cutting edge. Ford's also teasing hybrid tech to boost power and efficiency, making this GT500 a muscle car for the modern era. This is where the Shelby GT500 roars to life. Picture this: a prototype GT500 hits the track, its V8 screaming as it launches from 0 to 60 in under 3 seconds. Recent spy footage shows it devouring corners with precision, thanks to upgraded suspension and carbon fiber wheels borrowed from the previous GT500. On the drag strip, it's a monster. Rumors suggest it could challenge the Dodge Demon 170's quarter-mile times with over 800 horsepower on tap. Whether it's a smoky burnout or a high-speed run, the GT500 proves it's not just about raw power, it's about delivering an unforgettable driving experience. This is the moment muscle car fans have been waiting for. The GT500 is back, and it's ready to dominate. The 2026 Shelby GT500 is a masterpiece of power, style, and innovation. With a monstrous V8, advanced tech, and track-ready performance, it's the ultimate muscle car for enthusiasts. Ford's proving that the Shelby legacy is stronger than ever. What do you think of the new Shelby GT500? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out our other videos for the latest on muscle cars, supercars, and more. Hit that bell to stay in the driver's seat.